In the demanding world of modern manufacturing, the key to success is operational efficiency. Yet, the inability to track critical assets in real time can lead to costly disruptions and delays. Without real-time tracking and visibility, inventory becomes inaccurate and valuable. Resources are wasted, manual processes are simply too slow and error-prone to keep up. Maintaining efficiency and optimizing inventory becomes a constant battle. But what if there was a smarter way? An innovative solution that revolutionizes inventory location, management, and consumption, driven by AI and data intelligence. HCLTech Track and Trace for manufacturing and warehouse leverages real-time asset traceability to deliver precise tracking of raw materials, sub-assemblies, and finished products. It empowers enterprises with end-to-end track and trace capabilities for complete visibility into inventory. The solution provides real-time insights into zone-wise inventory movements, historical path analysis, and accurate asset location on the floor layout. It also prioritizes the utilization of materials with first expiry, first out, or first in, first out search, thus minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. For enterprises, the solution can enable a dramatic reduction in time spent searching for assets, allowing your workforce to focus on value-added tasks and rapid fulfillments. HCLTech's Track and Trace for manufacturing and warehouse is more than a solution. It's a promise of a more efficient, profitable future for your business. Unlock a new level of efficiency, accuracy, and profitability for your business. HCLTech's Track and Trace includes 3 key offerings: Track and Trace for manufacturing and warehouses, Track and Trace for lab assets, and Track and Trace for field assets. Each offering is designed to enhance asset tracking and improve operational efficiency across various industries. HCLTech's Track and Trace for lab assets enables efficient asset management by supporting periodic audits and cycle counts across large areas. Track and Trace for field assets helps improve real-time asset visibility and automates long-range tracking of assets displaced over large areas. To know more about HCLTech Track and Trace, visit www.hcltech.com/IoT services.